Legal battle continues over Edgar Lungu's remains. The legal and political dispute over the remains of former President Edgar Lungu intensifies again on Friday, 29 May 2026, as the matter returned to the Supreme Court of Appeal in Bloemfontein, South Africa. The hearing focused primarily on procedural and jurisdictional issues surrounding the ongoing fight between the Lungu family and the Zambian government over where and how the former president should be buried. Edgar Lungu died in Pretoria while receiving medical treatment. Nearly a year later, his remains remain at the center of one of South Africa's most politically sensitive legal disputes. The Zambian government wants Lungu's body repatriated to Zambia for a full state funeral with military honors, while the family insists that the burial wishes and the family rights must take precedence. Main issue before the Supreme Court of Appeal: whether the family appeals has lapsed. The central issue during today's proceeding was whether Lungu's family appeal against the Pretoria High Court ruling remains legally valid. The Zambian government argues that the family failed to comply with SCA filing deadline. Procedural requirements were not properly met, and the appeal before lapsed automatically. Government's lawyer maintained that once the appeal allegedly lapsed, the earlier higher court judgment authorized repatriation become full enforcement. According to the government legal team, this gave Zambian authority lawful authority to begin arrangement to transfer Lungu's remains back to Zambia. The Lungu family strongly opposed this argument. Their legal team argued that the appeal process remains active. Documents were filed, and dispute over procedural compliance still need judicial determination. The family further argued that the government acted prematurely and unlawfully by attempting to take control of the remains while litigation was still unresolved. Much of today's hearing centered on procedural timeline, appeal documents, agency application, and whether court procedure had been abused by their side. Controversial transfer of the remains. Another major issue raised during the hearing was the earlier transfer of Edgar Lungu's remains from mortuary chosen by the family to the facility linked to Zambian government. The family argued the transfer violated ongoing legal protections. The body was moved while appeal remains unresolved. The government undermined the family dignity and burial rights. The government argued the opposite. The earlier Pretoria High Court order already authorized enforcement, and officials acted lawfully after the appeal allegedly expired. These aspects of the dispute has significantly escalated tension between the parties and added diplomatic sensitivity to the case. Legal argument presented today. Family position. The Lungu family legal team argued that the burial rights fundamentally belongs to the family, especially the surviving spouse. The family maintained that Lungu's personal burial wishes should carry legal weight. Burial decisions are private family matters, and state authority should not automatically override family autonomy. The family also argued that Lungu did not want his funeral politicized. He opposed involvement by President Hakainde Hichilema and preferred burial arrangements outside Zambia. Their lawyer framed the matter as a constitutional dignity issue, a family right issue, and the limitation on excessive state power. Zambian government position. The Zambian government argued that Lungu was not merely a private citizen but a former head of state whose funeral carries national importance. Government lawyer argued that Zambia has constitutional and diplomatic obligations to honor former presidents. State funeral arrangements are a matter of public interest, and national dignity must be protected. The government effectively framed the dispute as national dignity versus private resistance. Officials insist that former president belonged partly to the national historic legacy of the Zambia and should receive official state honor within the country. What made today's hearing important? Today's proceedings were critically important because the court appeared focused less on emotional burial dispute itself and more on technical legal status of the appeal. The judge centraled heavily on filing deadline, procedural compliance, and whether the appeal remains legally alive. This issue is crucial because if the appeal is ruled invalid or lapsed, the government gains a major legal advantage. If the appeal is upheld as active, the family retains temporal legal protection while the substantive burial dispute continues. The hearing demonstrates that procedural law may ultimately determine the outcome more than the emotional or political arguments surrounding the burial. Legal implications. Family rights versus authority. The case could become major legal precedents concerning whether the government can override family wishes regarding the burial of former heads of state. The court are balancing constitutional dignity, family autonomy, cultural burial tradition, and state public interest obligations. A ruling in favor of the government could strengthen state authority in cases involving national leaders. A ruling favoring the family should reinforce spousal burial rights, family succession authority, and limitation on extensive intervention. Cross-border jurisdiction. Because Lungu died in South Africa while serving as a sole former Zambian president, the matter involved complex cross-border legal issue. The dispute raised important questions about control over human remains, recognition of foreign government interest, and enforcement of international funeral arrangement. South African courts are effectively adjudicating on matters with major diplomatic implication for Zambia. Procedural law may decide the case. Today's proceeding strongly suggested that appellant procedure rule may ultimately determine the case outcome. The judge appeared particularly focused on whether filing requirements were met, whether deadline expired, and whether enforcement action were lawful. This could mean that the technical compliance issue become more decisive than the broader political and emotional consideration. Political implications. Deepening Zimbabwean political divide. The dispute continues reflecting deep political tension between supporters of Edgar Lungu and Patriotic Front and President Hakainde Hichilema's administration. For many PF supporters, the case has become symbolic and broader grievance against the current government. The burial dispute is now viewed on only a family matter but also as a struggle over political legacy and state power. Control of Edgar Lungu's legacy. The funeral dispute has evolved into a battle over who controls Edgar Lungu's public image and political legacy. The state funeral in Zambia would reinforce national ownership of his legacy and allow the government to present a message of national unity. A burial outside Zambia or under family-only arrangement will symbolize rejection of state involvement and reinstates to political of Lungu memory. Regional diplomatic sensitivity. The matter has become diplomatic sensitivity because South African courts are handling a dispute involving foreign former head of state, cross-border funeral arrangement, and political change state interest. The prolonged dispute is attracting significant regional attention across Southern Africa. Predicted outcome. Most probable immediate outcome. The most likely short-term outcome is the SCA reserves judgment. Edgar Lungu remain temporarily in South Africa, and the court first determine whether the family appeal legally survived. The judge appear focused primarily on procedural legality rather than immediate resolving the burial dispute itself. Most probable legal outcome. Most probable legal outcome currently appears to slightly favor the Zambian government. This is because appellant courts are generally strict regarding procedural compliance. Today proceedings heavily focused on filing deadline and procedural requirements. and the government argues strongly that the appeal had already lapsed. If SAs agrees, the earlier Pretoria High Court ruling will likely remain enforceable, and the government may gain authority to proceed with repatriation. However, the family still retains the realistic chance, if they successfully pursued the court, that procedural defects were minor, exceptional constitutional issues justify continuation of appeal, or appeal remains valid throughout. Most probable political outcome. Despite the legal battle, the most likely long-term political outcome remains some form of negotiated settlement between government and Lungu family. Possible compromise scenario may include the state funeral with reduced political involvement, limited participation by President Hichilema, or arrangement balancing both states' honor and family wishes. The dispute is becoming increasingly politically damaging and emotionally sensitive for all parties involved. Overall assessment. Today's Supreme Court of Appeal proceedings demonstrate that the Edgar Lungu remains dispute has evolved far beyond an ordinary burial disagreement. The matter now involves constitutional law, procedural appellant law, family rights, state authority, diplomatical protocol, and political symbolism. The strongest indication from today's hearing is that the procedural compliance may ultimately determine the outcome more than the emotional or political argument themselves. The case continues standing as one of the most political and legally sensitive disputes currently unfolding in Southern Africa. That concludes our analysis. Thank you for watching the sim. If you found this breakdown useful, consider subscribing for clear, factual legal analysis. Until next time, stay informed.